And so in a bid to contain the spread of a new variant of COVID-19, U.S. President Joe Biden is set to impose a ban on most non-U.S. citizens entering the country with a travel history to South Africa. Biden is also reimposing an entry ban on nearly all non-U.S. travelers who have been in Brazil, the United Kingdom, Ireland and 26 countries in Europe that allow travel across open borders. Biden is taking an aggressive approach to combating the spread of the virus after Donald Trump rejected mandates sought by U.S. health agencies. Some health officials are concerned that current vaccines may not be effective against South Africa variant, which also raises the prospect of reinfection. The South African variant has not yet been found in the United States, but the variant, which is also known as 501Y.V2 variant, is 50% more infectious and has been detected in at least 20 countries. British Health Secretary Matt Hancock said that 77 cases of the South African variant of COVID-19 had been found in the United Kingdom alone. All of them are connected to travel from South Africa and are under close observation. All the known cases were people who had travelled from South Africa or had contact with someone else who had done so.
There are 77 known cases of the South African variant here in the UK. They are under very close observation, and we have enhanced contact tracing to do everything we possibly can to stop them from spreading.
Seeking to stop the spread of new coronavirus variants, Israel will also be banning passenger flights in and out of the country from today for a week. The country's borders have largely been shut to foreigners during the pandemic, with only Israeli passport holders allowed entry. New Zealand also confirmed its first case of COVID-19 in months. A 56-year-old woman who returned to New Zealand last year on December 30th tested positive for the South African strain of the virus. She had twice tested negative COVID-19 before leaving a 2-week mandatory quarantine. Authorities said the source of the infection was probably a fellow returnee at the quarantine facility.